Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
AT headquarters, I'm going to be on 44. I'll hit the card. I'm going to be on West Bergen and Pearl.
Hi.
What's going on, Sarge? Could be a 450, could not. As the gate go up, I'm moving forward, and he's taking like this big, wide turn right into the lane that I'm trying to go forward. So we're about to find out as soon as I am done entering his vehicle plate.
On September 30, 2024, around 10:08 p.m., Froilan Hernandez with the Red Bank Police Department observed a driver of a 2019 Nissan pickup truck driving erratically in the vicinity of Bergen Place and S. Pearl Street. He initiated a traffic stop and made contact with the driver, who was later identified as 28-year-old Luke. He asked for his documents. As he was speaking with Luke, Patrolman Hernandez observed that his speech seemed slurred and he displayed other indicators of impairment. He told the officer that he was heading home after leaving Jamian's food and drink.
How's it going, Officer Hernandez with the Red Bank Police Department, badge number 235. The reason you're being stopped today is you went into my lane while you were making the right turn over here from Maple Avenue going on to West Bergen.
Oh, okay.
Is everything okay? You seem a little confused.
I didn't realize I went into your lane. I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
Let me just get your license, registration, proof of insurance.
Yes, no problem. I believe that's that. Insurance and...
Yeah, you gave me a registration.
Oh, sorry. I didn't realize, did I... On the right turn right there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Do me a favor. Just hold on a second. Do me a favor and just shut your vehicle off, put it in park, and just step out of the vehicle.
Based on his suspicion of impairment, Luke was asked to exit the vehicle and perform field sobriety exercises. The field sobriety exercises included the horizontal gaze nystagmus AGN test. The second exercise was the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Luke did not touch heel to toe on each step and paused in the middle of the test. The final exercise was the one-leg stand test. During the one-leg stand test, Luke failed to raise his foot in the proper fashion or count in the correct sequence.
Step on the sidewalk over there. It's okay, leave that. Okay, just go over here.
Okay, okay.
Go on the sidewalk.
Sure.
Go on the sidewalk, over here, on the sidewalk.
Okay.
So where are we coming from today, sir?
I was just hanging out at Red Bank.
Right, hanging out on Red Bank?
Yep.
Okay, how many drinks did you have today?
2, 3.
Two drinks?
Yeah.
2 or 3?
Yeah.
Okay, where are we headed to?
Just going home.
Going home, where's home?
Twin Falls, right across.
The keys.
My keys. Can I ask what happened?
I explained to you. Like I said before, I'm Officer Hernandez with the Red Bank Police Department, badge number 235. Sure. While you were making the right-hand turn from Maple Avenue going on to West Bergen, you came onto my lane. Okay. That's why I'm stopping you. You failed to maintain your lane.
Okay.
And right now I'm just conducting an investigation to make sure that you're able to still drive. Okay? You said you had 2 to 3 beers, right? Correct?
Yep.
Where were you coming from?
Just hanging out in Red Bank.
Hanging out in Red Bank?
Jamian's. Yep.
Jamian's? Okay. And you only said you had 2 to 3 beers?
Did I'm sorry, did I miss the lane? I didn't realize that, like, on that turn. Was it the turn?
Headquarters timestamp when we're conducting SFSTs. All right, sir. I would like to conduct standardized field sobriety test.
Sure.
You can either accept or refuse to do the test. That's up to you. Awesome. Are you willing to do the test?
I'm willing.
Okay. Before we begin the test, I need you to take your hat off, okay? Put the hat down. Take your hands out of your pocket. Do you have any contacts, any medical injuries that's going to prohibit you from following the tip of my pen during this investigation? No? Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to stand heel to toe, hands out to your side, okay? Now, what I want you to do, don't look at the light, look at me. With the tip of my pen, I want you to follow just the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head, just follow the tip of the pen with your eyes. Do you understand my instructions?
Sure. Sorry.
So we're going to be going up and down. All you have to do is the same thing.
That's fine.
Follow the tip of the pen with your eyes only. Do not move your head.
Sure.
Okay. The next test is going to be the walk and turn. I'm going to explain to you how it's going to go, okay? You're going to keep heels to toes, arms out to your side, okay? You're going to start with your right leg out on front, heel to toe. Look at me. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this test. With your arms out to the side, you're going to be looking down. You're going to be counting out loud to 9. It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until you get to 9. On your 9th step, you're going to take small steps, going back down, 9 heel to toe steps back down to 9. Do you understand my instructions, or do you want me to show you again?
Yeah.
You want me to show it to you again?
I mean, you can.
No, it's up to you. I want to make sure that you understand my instructions. Was I clear enough, or do you want me to show you again?
You can show me again.
Okay. No, that's up to you. You know what? I'll show it to you again. Again, you're gonna have your right foot out in front, hands out to your side. You're gonna count out loud, up to 9. 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth until you get to 9.
Okay.
On your 9th step, you're gonna take small steps, going back, doing the same thing, heel to toe steps, counting out loud, hands out to your side, up until 9. You understand my instructions?
Sounds good.
Okay, go ahead and begin when you're ready.
2, 3, oh, continue. Not bad.
Continue.
4, 5, I'll take it. 6, 7, 8, 9. Whatever. Want me to go back?
That's what the instructions were.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Our last test is going to be the one leg stand, okay? You're going to keep feet together just like mine, heel to toe. Feet together, hands out to your side. You're going to pick one leg of your choosing. It could be your left or your right. In this example, I'm going to pick my right.
Okay.
I'm going to take my right leg. I'm going to put it 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the sidewalk. You're going to be counting out loud with your hands out to your side. 1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000. 5, 1,000. So on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand my instructions?
Gotcha.
Or would you like me to show you again?
I can do it.
Okay. Begin when you're ready.
Bit of a lefty.
Okay, you know what? Give me 1 second. Let me just grab my timer. Hold on. Give me 1 second. When you're ready, begin.
1, 1,000. 2, 1,000. 3, 1,000. 4, 1,000. 5, 1,000. 6, 1,000. 7, 1,000.
Continue. Don't stop. I'm going to tell you when to stop.
Okay. 8, 1,000. 9, 1,000.
Continue until you stop.
10, 1,000. 11, 1,000. Sorry, I'm not best on 1 foot.
Okay, it's all good. All right, sir. What I want you to do is I just want you to come to the front of my patrol car and just look at the camera right here, okay? That one right here, just come to the front.
Okay.
That'll be our last instruction. Right here. Just come up right here. Come right here. Right up here. Right up here. Right up here. Face that camera right here. You see that green and red? Face that camera.
Developments. Based on his motor vehicle infractions, the indicators of impairment, and his inability to adequately perform the field sobriety exercises. Developments. Luke was placed under arrest for driving under the influence. After he was placed under arrest, his vehicle was impounded for a mandatory 12-hour hold under John's Law. Developments. Patrolman Hernandez transport Luke to the Red Bank Police Department for further processing.
Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated, sir. Spread your legs for me, please. Do you have any weapons or knives or anything that's going to hurt me? Any drugs?
Nope.
Okay.
Nothing.
Okay.
Fine.
I gotcha.
Have your cell phone on you, or is it in the car seat? You want me to grab it for you?
Let me search it, I can grab it.
Okay.
All right, sir. Let's go to the back of my vehicle. I'm just trying to light real quick. I don't want you to fall in here. All right, go ahead and step inside. Be careful, watch your head. I'm going to be placing your seatbelt for your safety, okay? God forbid we get into an accident. I don't want you flying out of the vehicle.
Good?
Yeah, I just need his hat. Where did that go? Oh, can we put that back in this car? He doesn't need that for inside. I have his driver's license and registration and insurance. I think you put it in my car, right?
I put it on the dash.
Okay. All right.
I'm going to stay with the car. I'll do the slip. I'm just going to search it, though.
Okay. Yeah, do your thing. I'm going to go inside.
Okay.
Sarge?
Yeah, you think you good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. I'm going to explain everything to you inside, okay? And then we'll go from there. 18 headquarters, can you add my RO? This is the 41. I'm going to be en route 10-3.
7-4, 2219.
Is there a chance I get my phone back?
Oh yeah, of course, 100%. We're gonna have you.
My phone is
18, hold up. Gonna give you his phone.
Copy. Thanks, Sarge. All right, got your cell phone. We're gonna be making those phone calls when we're done inside. Okay? I'll explain everything to you inside.
Can you explain to me again what I did wrong?
Yeah, sure. I'll explain it to you inside. It's better for me to tell you inside since I'm already driving here. I don't want to lose the concentration while I'm in here.
That's just going to happen to my truck.
Yeah, it's just gonna be impounded.
Okay. So, will I be able to pick it up tomorrow?
Again, I will explain everything to you while we are inside. There's not one thing that you will not know once we are inside. Okay? Okay, I mean, like I said before, I will explain everything to you again once we get inside. Close the west.
Developments. At the station, he was read the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, and he agreed to submit breath samples. Alcatist results indicated a BOS level of 0.24%, which is more than double the legal limit of 0.08%. Developments. He was issued the following traffic tickets: operating under the influence, careless driving, and traffic on marked lanes.
All right, step out of the vehicle. Step inside.